Hello everyone, I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we are talking more about health tips and health benefits. Kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell sa baba para updated kayo lagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. For today's video guys, I will share to you about STD or sexually transmitted disease, generally acquired by sexual contact. The organism, bacteria, viruses, or parasites that cause sexually transmitted disease may pass from person to person in blood, semen, or vaginal and other bodily fluids. Kaya nga ang buntis, kung ang partner mo ay may STD or STI, bawal makipag-sex sa asawa niya kasi mahawaan ang asawa mo na buntis, maapektuhan ang mother at saka yung baby niya. Sometimes this infection can be transmitted non-sexually, such as from mother to infant during pregnancy or childbirth, or through blood transfusion or shared needles. STDs don't always cause symptoms. It's impossible to contact sexually transmitted disease from people who seem perfectly healthy and may not even know they have infection. So pag-usapan natin guys kung ano nga ang mga symptoms sa sexually transmitted disease or STI or STD. So ano nga ang symptoms guys? Sore or bumps on the genitals or in the oral or rectal area. So painful and burning in urination. Parang mahapdi pag umihi ka. Sa mga lalaki naman, there is discharges from penis. So unusual or odd swelling, vaginal disease. Unusual vaginal bleeding, pain during sex, sore swollen lymph nodes, particularly in the groin, but sometimes more widespread abdominal pain and fevers, rash over the trunk, hands, and feet. So yan ang mga symptoms kung mayroon kang STD. Yung sign ng symptoms na yun guys may appear a few days after exposure or may take years before you have noticeable problems. Pagkatapos mo makipag-sex sa mga mayroong STD, abutin pa ng taon yung mga problems sa sakit na yan. So, ano ang causes guys ng STD? Bacteria like gonorrhea, syphilis, and chlamydia. Parasites, we will call it trichomoniasis. At saka yung viruses, human papilloma virus, genital herpes, HIV. So, ano mga risk factor ng STD guys? Having unprotected sex, vaginal or anal penetration by an infected partner who is not wearing condom increases the risk of getting STI or sexually transmitted infection. So one of the risk factor is improper using condom. Oral sex may be less risky, but infection can still be transmitted without a latex condom. Having sexual contact with a multiple partner, isa yan sa nakaka-STD. The more people you have sexual contact with, the greater your risk of STD. Having a history of STI, kung mayroon kang mga sexually transmitted infection, isa yan sa mga symptoms ng STD. So, anyone forced to have sexual intercourse or sexual activity like rape or assault, yun ang mga magkakaroon din ng mga STD. Misuse of alcohol or use of addicting drugs. Being young is not really bad, but you should be careful. A man who requests prescription for drug to treat erectile dysfunction. So, isa din yan sa risk factor na magkaroon ka ng sexually transmitted disease, yung naggagamot ka sa erectile dysfunction mo. Transmission from mother to infant. STIs in infants can cause even death. So, all pregnant women should be screened for the infection and treated. Kaya nga sa hospital namin, mayroon kaming pregnancy screening. Ang complication guys, mostly sa mga complication, pelvic pain, pregnancy complication, eye inflammation activities, PID or pelvic inflammatory disease, infertility, heart disease, certain cancers such as HPV. Yun ang mga complication. Punta naman tayo sa mga prevention. Abstain from sex. Stay with one uninfected partner. So, avoid vaginal and anal sex with new partners until you have been both tested by STIs. So, to be safe, get vaccinated. May mga vaccine na tayo ngayon na para ma-prevent ang STD. Use condoms. Don't drink alcohol excessively or use drugs. Communicate. Practice safe sex. Consider male circumcision. When to see a doctor kung mayroon kang mga nararamdaman. Sexually active and exposed to an STI. So, you have signs and symptoms of an STI. Make an appointment with a doctor. When consider becoming sexually active or when you are 21 years old. That's it about sexually transmitted disease. I hope guys may natutunan kayo sa topic natin ngayon, at kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Alagaan natin guys ang kalusugan natin kasi yan lang ang tanging regalo na bigay ni God sa atin. Remember guys, health is wealth. Kung mayroon kayong gustong malaman o kung mayroon kayong gustong itanong sa akin, mag-comments lang kayo dyan sa baba at sasagutin ko kayo sa maaabot ng makakaya ko. Bye guys, and God bless us. Love you all.